in a 4-4 tie. Down the left field line, and it's going to fall. A base hit. In to score is Ashley. Logan Schafer delivers. 2-out RBI single. The Brewers back on top. It's 5-4 Milwaukee.
Well, he's had 2 at bats. He walked, scored a run in the 12th, and now drove one in the 13th. Well, a nice approach for Logan Schafer, taking it to the opposite field, dumping it down the third left field line. He's been swinging it pretty well since he's been called back up. It dumps one down the line, and Ashley, who got on base on a strikeout and a wild pitch, able to come around to score.